You something about our culture that on the 25th of December there is a Christmas that we are celebrating, but we are forgetting our culture. On the 25th of December, we have our Tulsi Puja, but most of the people are not celebrating. Most of the people are going to their church and celebrating Christmas on that day. That's why I want to say that we are gradually forgetting our culture and owning other culture like Western culture. That's all about me.
So that's the beauty of our culture. We respect our culture and give respect to all the culture. That's the meat of our culture. Okay. And as far as you have told that why they celebrate to others' religion, other culture festival, I want to say that it's the human tendency to get attracted from anything which looks new. Okay. So they celebrate the Christmas and all the festival that you have mentioned. They are the people of Indian culture finds like very new thing. That's why they get attracted to celebrate that festival. And many people from Western culture also celebrate the Indian culture festival like Diwali and Holi. They also enjoy for being a part of the Indian culture. Many foreigners you will see that they are wearing Indian traditional dresses and they are appreciating Indian festival, Indian people, how lovely they are. Okay, that's all.
First of all, when they come in India, they need to wear that dresses. They don't wear the sari in their own location, in area. But if we just copy all the things we are living in India, they start focusing on all the things in India. If you go in foreign, like maybe America, maybe a foreign country, then we see the thing and then we fascinated and we adapt the thing according to the situation. But what we are doing, just we are doing sitting here, living here, not even never going in foreign country. Just try to copy the thing by watching on the television, on the social media, and even we are forgetting our culture. As that word mentioned that we just forget our own Tulsi Divas. We will give the first priority. Tulsi Divas, yeah, we can say Christmas Day. We are not giving that. This is the directly focus on that 25th of December. We can also do this thing. We can celebrate Tulsi Divas in morning time, maybe in evening time, and then go. We can say celebrate Christmas in maybe in 7 o'clock in evening. We even can do that, but we're not doing this thing. Just your focus on doing one particular thing. So what do you say about that?
We not celebrate Tulsi Divas on the day of Christmas Divas because it is not too much popular festival in India. Okay, that is not considered too much very popular. If there is a Holi on that 25 December, then we will love to celebrate Holi rather than celebrating Christmas. And it's the advancement of the technologies that all have come from the Western culture. So if you don't want, but you feel some pressure to adopt all that culture, which is coming from the Western culture, with the help of technology, with the help of social media. That's why.
No, I think it's wrong. We are just attracted towards our Western culture. If we see the countries, China, we can say Japan, we can say
Western culture is also considered as advanced culture, and you are the team of Indian culture. And in Indian culture, all people in India, all people, the dress of India is dhoti kurta of men and women sari. So why do you not wear dhoti kurta? And why you not wear sari?
Because I am not married, it's not important for all women wear sari. Only married women wear sari and people men wear dhoti kurta. It's not written in any book and any place. It's important for wearing sari and dhoti kurta for all Indians. It's not important. all, I'm talking about what is the exact meaning of culture. So, culture is a reflection of belief, moral values, and tradition and custom. Uh, all the culture are good, and all culture are some conditions and some conditions are good. But nowadays, culture are very famous, like Western culture and Indian culture. So I'm support to Western culture. In India culture, anybody can be change, but in Western culture, every time, every years and every month, some people are changed because change is a rule of our society and it's a very important for our society. So,
She mentioned that change is the rule of our society. I want to say change is the rule of our society, but not in terms of declining others. Right. So Western culture actually changing their society by declining others, by discriminating others. So these are the things that we should not have to follow Western culture. But in our Indian culture, we are changing ourselves, not in terms of declining others, in terms of respecting others, behaving good manners to others, communicating in a good way to others. But in Western culture, we generally see that they are not behaving good to others. They are not wearing proper dresses. They think that I am a very very technological, and we are very developed. So I can wear anything whatever wishes for. But if we want to change our society, if we want to change our mind, then we should have to make some involvement in our society. That is, if we are learning, suppose if I am giving an example, if we are here to learn or enhance our English, then we should have to communicate with each other in English, right? So if we want to change our society's mind, then we have to wear proper dress, communicate with others in a good manner. But in a Western culture, they are just think that if we wear some unusual dresses, then how can we change our society? Then this shows that they are changing society, but in terms of declining others.
As you said that we are wearing bad dresses, but we are not looking about bad or good dresses. We are looking about our comfort. If we are comfort in that dresses, so I totally agree with that dress, that next time also I wear this dresses, because this dress is from another country. So that's why I said that we are not looking about bad or good. We are looking about our comfort, because in this dress I feel most of the people feels comfortable. That's all.
So you have mentioned that comfortability, right? So you are saying that comfortability, if I will feel comfortable in any dresses, okay, there is some rules and regulation for our society that we should follow, right? Doesn't matter if I feel comfortable in this or not. If we are coming in our coaching, there should be rules and regulation. If we are not comfortable in that, if we are not fitted in that rules and regulation, and see, if doesn't matter, because we are coming here to learn new things, right? So there should be have to follow rules and regulations. So to change our to change ourselves, right? So you are telling that comfortability. If we are coming here, and if we sleep and we communicate with each other, sleep and communicate with each other, how can you say that it is it is a good for us and it is a comfortable? You have mentioned that if I will sleep here and I will communicate with each other, then also comfortability, it will comes in our comfortability. then this doesn't show that if we will feel comfortable to in anywhere, that we can enhance our things and we can change our society. This doesn't mention all the things. These are not criteria that we should have to follow.
And also diversion rate is less than
Western culture is more better than Indian culture as compared to many things, such as their politics and cleanliness of their society and many things. That's all.
And
And all-
can say cleanliness in our society, in our house, is a part of it. Okay.
Western culture.
You can say that, but it's the it can be helped by the having good resources, having good technology that you can clean city with the help of big machines. So there is no need to mention the culture. That culture is helping to make the city clean. Okay.
India culture women do not share equal status.
I'm talking about Indian culture.